My name is Cadet Morris. I have been born and raised here in Las Vegas my whole life. And one thing that has brought me to this agency is my father used to work for the agency a couple years ago. And I knew at a young age, at 14 years old, that I knew this is what I wanted to do. From seeing him come home every day and telling us stories, I knew I was meant for this job.
What agency are you going to?
Nevada Highway Patrol.
So you're going to be a trooper?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, TASER. Have you been tased before?
I have not been tased before.
Oh, you haven't been tased before?
No, sir.
Any preconceived ideas as far as what it's going to feel like?
So I have heard that your body locks up. You have no control of whatever happens to you. So that's all I know, and I'm about to be exposed to it shortly, so we'll see how it goes.
So the class that you guys went through, can you tell me a little bit about that?
Sure. So the class that was provided to us this morning by our corporals was provided by Axon. That is also the company that we're using our tasers, which we'll be using TASER 7s.
Okay.
So we discussed numerous things regarding the nomenclature of the taser, how it needs to be placed on the body if you were to use it, and we actually used a target, a taser target, and that was very useful for us hands-on learners.
Oh, so you had practical experience actually firing the taser?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. As far as carrying your taser, are you going to be support hand draw or cross draw?
I will be non-dominant side.
Non-dominant side.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Any parting thoughts? Any as far as how you think the taser exposure is going to go?
I think it's going to go good. I don't have any negative thoughts about it. I've never been exposed to anything like this before, so I'm excited to see how it's going to go.
One more thing. Have you been pepper sprayed or OC'd before?
I have been pepper sprayed before.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
So you can probably give us a very good idea of what your preference is going to be after the exposure.
Absolutely.
Anyway, any closing thoughts?
I'm very excited to experience this, and I am very excited to be with this agency, and I'm very proud to be where I'm at today.
Just keep your arm underneath. Make sure you got control of his wrist. If anything you want to look at, like DTs, they can walk his wrist in from the top to the bottom. Good.
Hey, Nels, are you ready?
Yes, Corporal.
Nels, taser, taser, taser.
Oh yeah! Oh! Sweet baby Jesus! Oh my God!
So that means you pull two. Taser, taser, taser.
Steel Cowboy! Oh, that sucks. That wasn't that bad.
Getting tight.
Morris, you ready?
Yes, Corporal.
Morris, taser, taser, taser.
All right, good job. Good job. Good job.
Taser, taser, taser.
Oh God! Oh! Oh! Oh God!
Where's the thing?
Oh.
Taser, taser, taser.
Attaboy.
You got this. There we go.
Breathe. You good? Breathe. Are you breathing?
Brzezinski, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Taser, taser, taser. You're good. You're good. Taser, taser, taser. You got this, man. You got this.
Show us stuff. Oh. You good?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I got this.
Don't move.
You good?
Grip it tight. Grip it tight. Let's go. Let's do this. Taser, taser, taser. You're good. You're good.
You need your hand?
Taser, taser, taser.
Not too bad. You're good. You're good. Oh. Gotta get him dry.
That dance leg, man.
Good job.
Yes, Corporal.
Taser, taser, taser.
You got that.
Bingo.
You're good. You're good.
It's over.
Taser, taser, taser.
You did amazing.
Taser, taser, taser.
Oh, one miss.
Good hit. Good hit. I pray to stand by.
No,
Stand by. You did not hit.
not my cats.
I'm not going to hit your cat. All right, Prada, you ready?
No, no. Jesus Christ.
That's called completing the circuit.
Knowing what you know now, now that you've been exposed to the taser, what was it like?
It was the worst workout I've ever had. A full body workout.
A full body workout.
Yes.
Were you, you just had a single exposure, right? You didn't get a double tap like the other guys?
Just a single exposure.
Just a single exposure.
Yes, sir.
Where were you hit?
I was hitting the lower back and my right thigh.
And then what did it feel like?
It just felt like you can't control your movements and you're all locked up.
You're all locked up.
Yes. You can speak for some people, but your muscles and everything else, you're locked up.
Locked up. Is there something that's happened to you in the past that you can compare the pain that you've just experienced?
Honestly, I would say broken bones, but I feel like your whole body would just be like a broken bone at that point. Like I've broken my collarbone before, but it's a whole body
So the
experience.
same pain level
Yes.
is like breaking a bone.
Yes.
Okay. So what do you think of the taser?
It would be a very effective tool for somebody who is not compliant.
Okay. And knowing what you know now, is it something that you are going to be carrying in your
Yes.
everyday gear?
I will be carrying this tool every day.
Okay. And have you been, I forget whether you were exposed to pepper spray prior to this or OC prior to this.
Yes.
A preference?
Definitely taser.
Taser over pepper spray?
Yes, sir. Absolutely. Any day.
Any day.
Yes, sir.
So pepper spray was the worst, you do taser over pepper spray any day?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why is that?
The OC is lingering. For me, it affected me for a week, where the taser, you have the 5-second ride, you get sore after for a little bit, but you can jump back to whatever you're doing after a couple minutes.
Anything you want to say to somebody who's wanting to go into this particular profession right now?
Yes, absolutely. Definitely have your mental, physical, and emotional health aligned. Speak with your loved ones and make sure they're on board with whatever you're doing. That's going to be huge to have a support system. And just be ready to accept a lot of new knowledge.
Thank you, Cadet Morris.
Thank
Thank you
you.
very much.